Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Xander from the Netflix show Wednesday. Before we get started, it would be awesome if you could maybe leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw in the future. And if you're new here, it would be awesome if you would subscribe and stick around for all of our doodles. Okay, so let's get started with Xander. I'm going to start with the face. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a little curve like that. And then an opposite direction curve underneath. And then we can do a circle here. And a circle in that circle. And then a circle underneath that, but in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to do a curve above. And now let's work on an eyebrow. So I'm just kind of doing some strokes here because eyebrows are just little strokes of hair. And then we can come on down and work on a nose. Like that. And do a nostril right here. Color that in dark. And then do a little curve here. Now let's do the other eye. So we're going to give it a little bit of space and try to make it around the same level and work on that other eye. So we're going to make it, it's going to be pretty similar to what we just did. With our dark circle here in the middle. And you can kind of go back and forth to from one to the other to try to match them up as best as you can. Like right now I know that these aren't matching perfectly, so I'm going to go back and kind of darken under here to make them a little bit wider looking, and then do a curve on top. And now that eyebrow. And like I said, strokes of hair for the eyebrow. Now, I know it's not perfect, but it's all about just having fun and drawing. So, also, you gotta trust the process. So now let's do a mouth. So a little bit underneath the nose, we're gonna do a little mouth. And let's give him like a little bit of a smile. So now let's do the shape of the face. I'm gonna start up here. And come on down. Inward here with the eyes, and then out a bit for like a little bit of a cheek, and come on down. He's got kind of a long face. And do a chin. And come on up, slanting upward here. And let's add some hair. So his hairline, it's not in the middle, it's to the side. So let's start adding some strokes of hair here on the side. He's got really long hair. So you can just play around with the hair, really make like all kinds of strands or big chunks of hair. But you can see that all of these strands are coming from this part, from where the hairline is parted. All right, and come on down. So it's like wavy hair too. Some strands are longer than the others. It's got like slight layers. part is actually really fun because you can really just do all the waves you want. Doesn't have to be exactly like what I'm doing. Hair is always lots of fun to draw. Alright, so I don't know, maybe I'll add a few more strokes later. But anyway. Alright, so let's come down here with a bit of a neck, and we're going to do a V shape. Like that. And start with a, start the neck here with a triangle shape. And another one. This is the collar of the outfit. And we're going to have kind of like a rectangle here. It's going to be the start of the tie. And we're going to come on down with another V shape. And we can draw a little square here and two little lines here. This is going to be like the zipper of the sweater. It's got a sweater on. And we can start here with a little bit of shoulder and bring this right to here. And on this side we can do the same. And a line here for some more shoulder, and come on down. Another line here, and right here we're going to come out and then come on down, and we're going to do another straight line here, a straight line here, a slanting line, and then come on down. And we're gonna do a line here and one here for the tie. And something we've got to do is add lots of stripes. So we can have a line right here, one here, and one here. You can kind of add them wherever you want to add them. It doesn't have to be exactly like what I'm doing, just like with the hair. But their uniforms are all striped. And I'm going to add just a little line here and one right here. And that's it for my sketch of Xander, and I'm going to start adding color. right, folks, we're all finished drawing Xander. Thanks for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you back here next time for our next drawing. All right, everyone, goodbye.